guys, in this Virtually Tech video, you will learn how to bring in activities you might have on other slide presentations into the current activity you are working on. I am also going to show you how to make a copy of a single activity from one of your presentations and create a new slides activity with it. So let's begin. In order to import activities you might have on another slides presentation, you must go to the File menu, click on Import Slides, and as you can see, it'll show me all the different slide presentations I currently have saved in my drive. I'm going to choose this slides activity, which I currently had used in a previous occasion. I want to bring in some of the activities that I have on this slide into my new activity. So once I click on it, it'll show me the different activities that are on the slides for this presentation. And I want to bring in more than one. I want to bring in the first page and the second page at the same time. So once I select the pages that I want, I'm going to click on Import Slides, and you will see that automatically those slides will be imported into my new math activity slides that I'm working on. As you can see, it has also imported the different objects I have placed on these slides for my students to move around and use or even type on. If I wanted to make a single copy of one of these current slides or multiple slides into a new slides presentation, I can do that by selecting the slide that I want to make a copy of in a new slides presentation. And of course, if I want to make a copy of two of the slides, I would have to press the Shift button and select the two sheets that I want to transfer over into a new slides presentation, and then click on File, make a copy, not of the entire presentation because I only want the two slides that I selected. So I'm going to click on Selected Slides. So once I do that, it's going to ask me to rename the activity. And it is telling me that it's going to save on my Drive folder. So once I click OK, you're going to see that the new slides activity will open up with only the two slides that you selected to copy over. And you can see that everything has transferred over, including the text boxes that I have added for these activities. If I go back to my original activity, nothing has changed. Everything is still there. It just made a new copy with a new name. And so this is how you can reuse some of your previous slide activities that you might have or that others might have shared with you. And if you want to pick and choose which activities you want from those slides, you can move them over into a new slides activity by doing these steps. I hope that this helps you in creating your activities for your students.